Welcome to Learning with Kids. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we will see count and match number. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see the number 5. Here is number 5. Next is 1. Let's see the number 1. Here is the number 1. Next is 1, 2, 3. Find the number 3 at the top. Here is number 3. Next is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find number 4. Next is a star. 1 and 2. Find the number 2 at the second number 2. Let's see the other examples. Now here some rectangles. Let's count the rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Find the number 10. Here is the number 10. Next is a heart shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See the number 6 at the bottom. Here is the number 6. Next is a smiley. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find number 7 at the top. Here is the number 7. Next is the cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See the number 9. Here is the number 9. Next is the eggs. Count the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find the number 8. Here is number 8. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.